What's going on, y'all? This is Josh with Drive the Coast. We're here in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, right by Dune Allen, home of Highway 30A, which is right here, the famous scenic highway in Northwest Florida. We're looking at a gorgeous 1970 Ford Torino with the numbers matching 429. This is a real GT, a real 429 car. I've got the Marti Report on it, detailing out everything it's got. Grabber blue, black hood. It is just gorgeous. Stunning car all the way around. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, gorgeous interior, gorgeous paint, laser slick, no rust on it. Magnum 500 wheels, Cooper Cobra radial GTs, dry bubble on the car, dual exhaust. Just absolutely gorgeous, ready to rock. This is a big car too. We've had a lot of cars, and this is a full-size car. You see no Bondo, no rust in the drip rails anywhere, no cracks on the dash anywhere. Super nice, huge, and real comfortable bench seat. Just a nice cruiser. Super nice dash, no cracking on it anywhere. Like I said, no rust. We are gonna fire this bad boy up here. We're sitting next to one of the dune lakes where the ocean meets the lake. Right up there. Anyway, a lot of cool things about this area. Fires right up. Real nice sound coming to it. So let's take off here. Y'all, like I said, this is Josh with Drive the Coast. So here's where the dune lake actually meets the ocean. You can see going out here. Gorgeous water. Y'all come visit. If you want to see the car, you can. If you want to be shipped straight to your door, we can do that too. If you need financing, we do financing with 10% down, 660 credit score. You can do it up to 144 months. We do that all day, every day. I said only 10% down. So if you need shipping, we have nationwide shipping available. Anyways, this is Josh with Drive the Coast, 850-502-1899. Y'all feel free to give me a call. Thanks so much.